This relationship broke down irrevocably, despite the fact that he'd done all of this. I am trying to understand, despite all of this driving, Christmas Day and all the rest of it, why this fell apart as badly as it did. Why did it?
I went to put a silly Facebook post on wishing all the puppies a happy birthday, happy first birthday. And I couldn't tag Danny in the post. So I thought, well, he's maybe changed his settings. So
what happened?
I looked up his profile and he had deleted me off of Facebook after me asking for my money or the work.
Is that correct?
I didn't delete her, no.
You don't seem to agree with that. You're looking for either the assistance...
I didn't delete him.
Well, either way, you seem to get very cross.
I was hurt.
This is a man that drove hundreds of miles, regardless of his £1,000 nonsense claim against you. You understand? You would have been stranded, or broke, or both. Look what you wrote about him. That something still owes me $340. Feel free to share. What did you intend by that?
Trying to get word back to him, that's why I said feel free to share.
What the consequences? What could the consequences be? What if you were to put that poster up on trees around where you lived? What would people know about him or believe about him?
That he takes money and doesn't fulfil his promises.
Do you remember writing this, madam? When the sponging something owes you £340, adds one of your best friends on whatever that is, but sharp deletes when her, etc., sleazy something you call him, please feel free to share this or screenshot it to him. Oh, and everything he'd done for me, took me to the hospital to see my mum, he was more than reimbursed for, and I normally fed him too. Not all of us are spongers. You proud of that message?
It was hot-headed.
Did you expect the product of your private conversations to become known to the entire world?
Nope.
Did you give permission for your private conversations to be published?
No.
The tragic reality now is, Danny, you're not talking to Tilda, having been a supportive friend. Is there any part of you that feels bad for what's happened?
Yes.
How long have you not spoken for?
2 and a bit years.
What can happen moving forward?
Nothing.
Why not?
I just think there's too much water under the bridge.
The value of your claim is for £340, and that's for the cost of an unpaid puppy. Now, madam, I only go on your application. I should be clear that I would have awarded you more. I would have awarded you the full sum of the puppy because I do not believe that the work that was carried out in the shower was completed to the requisite standard. It seems to me, Danny, although this was not in writing, you clearly promised to complete work to the value of the dog. You did not complete that work, you owe that money. That is a straightforward contract. Had he not made that admission, madam, that he entered into that agreement and told me porky pies, your case would be dismissed. The order of this court is to you for £340. Sir, when you do favours for friends, those are not enforceable in law. Consequently, your counterclaim for £1,000 is entirely dismissed. The order of this court is £340.
Thank you.
Tilda won her case and was awarded the full amount of her claim. Danny's counterclaim was dismissed. Let's find out how both parties felt about their day in court.
I was going through one of the hardest times in my life, and I was having to beg for what was owed me.
I thought she might have been... I would have got the dog slightly cheaper, stuff like that. I would have happily paid for the dog then, but with all those stuff getting plastered over Facebook, that's why I didn't pay it.
I feel that a weight's been lifted. I feel that I can move on.
I'm just glad it's finished. Simple as that.
Draws a line in the sand.
Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.